Hey everybody, it's me, Devious Toaster, and welcome to Deadbolt. I don't know what this game is. I decided to just check it out. There's no music here. There's some sound. So, I'm gonna add some music. Well, I guess I'm a skeleton. Hey, green buff skeletons, how you doing? You need to pick up knife. Yeah! Stab him. Ooh! I can throw it at him, too! How you doing, Chach? I must turn off all lights. Oh, no. No. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Hello? Bathroom door? Bathroom people? Yeah! Whoop. Yeah! Oh, no! My guts! Hey, buddy! How you doing? Well, I'm just gonna go. Yeah! Oh, bitch. Buddy, you wanna die like this? It's fun. Yay! Hey, you! Eh! Oh, bitch, you like it? You like it? Ooh, I can have 2 knives. Bitch! Hey-ya! Oh, he took me out. Hello! Bathroom time! Hey, you! Oh, God, I missed! Why? How? How do I dodge? Hiya! Haha! Take that! Yes, that's it, of course. Pick! Oh, I gotta hold the button to aim it. It's not me! Haha! Oh, I beat you. I beat you like a little child. Hello! Crazy town! You sucker. I win! Oh. What is this? Enter vent. Whoa, I can be powdery! Powdery goodness. Oh, I'm toilet boy now. Well, you had a lovely face. Had a lovely face. There we go. Wait for them to turn around. Always wait for them to turn around. Yeah! Take it, you skeleton bitches! There's just something really important on TV I gotta see. Oh my god, the mating rituals of the walrus. Oh my god. Well, it was not lovely seeing you, but I gotta leave. Oh, tutorial. I only got a rank 3. I'm a skelly bones. I'm gonna sit in my chair. Oh, fire. Flames roar to life! That's a weird mission. Got a few noise complaints from zombies. Oh, they're zombies! Show them the door. Okay, the fire never returns to me. Here. Dash. They're past cracks. They're past? What the hell are you talking about? Okay. Am I death? Am I death with guns? I take care of you, zombies. See this gun? Do you see this gun? I think you should have. Don't come in here. I'm pooping. I only got 1 shot left. Run! Oh, I got in here through the toilet. Okay, I only got 1 shot with this guy. Oh, shit. Ah, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Without this. Ah! Hey, I did it. I'm just that good! And lucky. Alright, this is gonna be kind of a big old crapshoot here. Oh, I crapped out. Oh, he done clubbed me good. Hey, zombie! Gotcha! You ever been killed before? It's not fun. It's not a fun way to spend your days. Wow, I'm so good. This game's kind of fun if it were had some music. Drugs. Moving drugs. I don't care what's going on. Intel. Yabba yabba yabba. Shotguns. Let's choose a mission. Fire. Toilet. Whoosh. Ooh, drugs. Oh, that's a big old guy, isn't he? Please don't make me use this. You want me to use this, don't you? Oh, I only had 2 shots! Into the toilet! Toilet will save me! God, how many shots am I gonna have? Oh, none! How do you not die? Alright, fine. God! Should have turned off the light. Gotcha! Right in the knees. Dirty knees, do as you please! Haha! Gotcha! Just stay still. Whoa! I got a shotgun now. Now you guys are gonna not want to be around when I fucking do this. Oh, find the drugs. I'm good at that. Drugs. What fun. What good jolly fun. This game is fantastic. It needs music, though. Oh, nope. Thank you for watching Deadbolt. I'm Devious Toaster. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead to GameJolt. You can find this for yourself. This game seems really cool. So I'll leave a link in the description below, as always, and I will see you in the next episode. Skaboom! Poof! Oh! I'm just sitting there. Everybody loves it. Ah, my balls. It's like a worst nightmare scenario. Oh God, no! Bathroom time! I was in the toilet!